In this lesson, we are going to install Laravel in our computer. But before doing that, let's see what are the Laravel requirements. Laravel will only be able to run if the PHP version available in your system is equal or greater than 5.4. In order to see what version I'm currently running, I will open up WAMP, and by going to the PHP and selecting version, I can see that the version I'm running is 5.5.12, which satisfies this requirement. Another requirement for Laravel is to have installed the encrypt PHP extension. This is an extension that deals with encryption and decryption of data in PHP. In order to check for that, I will again go to the WAMP menu and will select localhost from there. Next, I will click on PHP info under tools and will search for the encrypt string in this page. As you can see, the extension is installed and enabled in my system, so all the requirements are now satisfied. The encrypt extension came pre-installed with WAMP server. We can now proceed with the Laravel installation. As we have Composer already installed, we'll use it to install Laravel. By accessing the Laravel installation guide, we found that the command needed to run in order to create a new Laravel project is composer create project Laravel/Laravel, your project name, following by preferred dist, which is an optional parameter. Composer will invoke the actual PHP dependency manager program. Next is the create project command, which will tell the composer what to do. Then is the type of the project that we want to create, which is Laravel in our case, followed by the name of the project or application that we want to create, and ending with pref dist, which is a setting that will actually use the distribution repository of Laravel. This will substantially speed up the installation process. Back to the command window, let's run this command giving the name for the project as my first app. By pressing enter, Composer starts creating the project by downloading the necessary libraries and frameworks from internet. The whole process takes about 1 minute on my computer, so I will fast forward the video here. As soon as the command completes, we can see the last line saying that the application key has been successfully set. This means that our project is set up and we are ready to go. Next thing to do is to actually try the application. In order to do that, we can use the Apache web server that came with WAMP, but Laravel comes with a built-in web server just for this purpose of testing. I don't recommend you to use the included Laravel server for production, but for development is a great choice. We need to start the server by running the php artisan serve command. Artisan is the name of the command line interface included with Laravel. It provides a number of helpful commands to use while developing your application. We'll discuss more about Artisan as we progress through the course. Let's run this in our command window, but before doing that we need to change the current directory to the one that our app was created in, which is my first app in my case. I'll change directory into the my first app folder and will run the php artisan serve command from there. Remember, if you get an error when trying to use Artisan saying that the command is not available, you will need to change to your project's directory first, and then the command will become available. Laravel has successfully started the development server for us, and it can be accessed at localhost on port 8000. I'll just copy this address, will switch to my browser, and will use the paste and go feature of Chrome to go to that address. As soon as the page is loaded, we can see the Laravel logo along with the text "You have arrived," meaning that our installation has completed successfully, and we can now start using Laravel to create our web application. So, to summarize, in this lesson, we used the Composer to create a new Laravel project, and we started the built-in Laravel development web server in order to test our app. In the next lesson, we'll dive more into Laravel by discussing about its main components and how these are working together. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and we'll see you soon. Bye!